Good day, fellow investors. My name is Ron, and thank you so much for watching this channel. A channel talks about investing in stock market and also how you can be financially independent. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing so that you don't miss on new uploads. And if you're returning subscriber, welcome back. Today I'm going to be talking about yet another trending topic, and the topic is Safaricom newly launched Ziidi Money Market Fund. So if you're new, I've talked about actually Safaricom several times, but if you're new to this channel, Safaricom is the largest telecommunication company in Kenya that actually is listed on Nairobi Securities Exchange, and it recently launched a new money market fund called Ziidi Money Market Fund. So today I'm going to be sharing all you need to know about this new money market fund and what does it mean to the investors like us, and also if to the new prospective investors. If you're planning to invest, if you invested, I believe this topic is going to be interesting for you. So as I said, Safaricom is the largest telecommunication company in Kenya that commands about 63% of the market share. So that's how big it is. So it has entered into a market of money market fund. In fact, this is not the first time to be in the money market fund market. Before, it was having Mali money market fund. It still actually has the Mali money market fund, but because it had disagreements with the partners that they were doing business together for Mali money market fund, so recently it launched its new money market fund called Ziidi Money Market Fund. Actually, I've talked about many times on my channel what money market fund and the benefits. But if you're also new to this channel, I would recommend that you first go and watch the previous videos that I've talked about money market fund. So briefly, money market fund is like an investment scheme where a fund manager collects money from different investors and invests on their behalf. At the end of the day, it provides the interest to the investors. So basically, that's what money market fund. So I'm going to be sharing why would Safaricom invest in money market fund, and also what does it benefit to the Safaricom and also the us investors who have shares in Safaricom. First of all, the fact is Safaricom must have seen something profitable about money market fund, because as I said, it had invested in Mari money market fund, but because of the disagreements it had with the partners, it had to stop money market fund and also launched a new Ziidi money market fund. So it means it is a very, very profitable venture, and because of its platform, the technology platform, it's going to be very easy for them, and also as investors it's a very good venture, because if it is profitable, we are also going to be profitable. In fact, there is one brochure or one recent development on its website, and it gives all the information about Ziidi Money Market Fund. I'm going to be reading through as also as I share my information. So it says Ziidi, grow your money daily with M-Pesa Ziidi. So I'll just read. The Capital Market Authority has granted approval to two fund managers, Standard Investment Bank and Ala Capital Limited, to offer Ziidi Money Market Fund under collective investment scheme regulations with partnership with Safaricom. So Safaricom has partnered with these licensed money investment managers to partner with Safaricom to run this Ziidi Money Market Fund. Basically, that's what it means. A Ziidi Money Market Fund is a collective investment scheme regulated by Capital Markets Authority. The Ziidi Money Market Fund will be an innovative service accessible through Safaricom M-Pesa platform, making it convenient for Kenyans to grow wealth through capital markets. So basically, it's going to be using the Safaricom platform, M-Pesa, to do this money market fund. So it's most of the people actually in Kenya, they have access to M-Pesa. So this is going to be very easy for the people to do to invest in the Ziidi Money Market Fund. So Ziidi Money Market Fund puts power of investing in the customer's hands. It offers a simple and accessible way to invest for all Kenyans, enabling them to achieve their financial goals. So these are the benefits. Basically, why should you invest in Ziidi? Is a sign up. So basically, if you have access to M-Pesa or also have the app for M-Pesa, it's going to be very easy for you to sign up. So secure your Ziidi investment is protected with M-Pesa PIN. You will need a PIN when signing up to complete every transaction on Ziidi for security. Basically, it's showing you how secure it is. Competitive interest, money in your M-Pesa wallet doesn't earn you anything. Transfer your funds for free. Actually, this is a very, very good. If you have money on your M-Pesa, you don't need to keep it on M-Pesa. You can transfer your money on Ziidi Money Market Fund so that it can start earning you interest instead of putting it on your M-Pesa account when it is not earning you any interest. This is very, very, very interesting development to me. So if you're not invested yet, transfer your money to Ziidi Money Market Fund. So easy access with as little as Kenyan shillings 100, you can start your investment journey. No maximum transaction limits, but M-Pesa daily limits apply. So basically, it is investment minimum amount is 100 Kenyan shillings. So definitely this is very, very cheap and also easy for everyone to start investing in this money market fund. So there is no transaction cost. Ziidi is a zero rated, meaning you won't be charged for any transaction fees for deposits and withdrawals. Ziidi has no maintenance fees. This is also interesting. So because in other money market funds, when you're transacting, for example, when you're sending or if you're doing like the bank transfers, there is always charges. But if you're also transacting through Ziidi, through M-Pesa, definitely there's no charges. This is also very, very helpful. It reduces also the transaction costs. So easy tracking. Ziidi offers you investor visibility, transparency to your daily earnings to help you. Basically, it shows you that if you're M-Pesa, you can always check your amount, daily transactions. So it shows you every information that you need to know about the Ziidi if you're using M-Pesa. Real-time access. So it says withdraw your funds from Ziidi instantly, receive them on M-Pesa account. So it says you can withdraw, you can deposit any time of the day, anytime you need the money, you can always access. So this is how flexible Ziidi Money Market Fund, because in other money market funds, you need like 2 days or 3 days, working days, to withdraw your money. However, for the Ziidi Money Market Fund, it is very, very flexible. You can request your money instantly and will be able to get the money. That's how interesting this Ziidi Money Market Fund it is. So how can you access Ziidi? So basically, as an M-Pesa registered customer, you may access your Ziidi investment account through the M-Pesa app, or by dialing star 334 hash. This is actually when you dial this, and if you're a Safaricom owner, definitely you can access different options when you dial this number. This ensures that you can invest from any type of handset you have, whether it is a smartphone or a future phone. So this it is showing you the app of the M-Pesa app. So how to access Ziidi on M-Pesa app? Download M-Pesa app, log in the app, go to the Grow tab on your M-Pesa app. Actually, Grow is the same as Ziidi. Ziidi is Swahili name, but Grow is the same. I think it is translated into English. So you press USSD *334#. Select financial services, select Ziidi to begin your investment journey. So it is as simple as that. So it is showing you, if you dial *334, the option is financial services. You press 1 Ziidi, then it will be giving you all the options. So basically, that's how you access the Ziidi Money Market Fund using M-Pesa. So these are the frequently asked questions. Is Ziidi for individuals, or can chamas or business invest? So basically, you can go through. As currently approved by Capital Markets Authority, Ziidi is an individual investment fund. However, we are working to add other options in the near future, which may bring chamas and business. So basically, at the moment, if it is a business or it chamas, not yet, you cannot invest as group or as a business. At the moment, they are only offering individual investments. So basically, that's what it is answering. So if we go to is Ziidi halal compliant? Halal is mostly the Muslim investment. As currently approved Ziidi is an interest earning money market. However, we are looking on Sharia compliant option that will be unveiled soon. So does Ziidi interest attract fund management charge? Yes, every fund manager or any money market fund, it attracts a charge, but this charge is subtracted on the interest, so it does not affect your it does not affect your income or the investment amount. So it only is this so the fund management fee is 2% interest per annum. However, the return indicated is net return. So basically, it does not affect your principal. It only affects the interest. So let's go. Is the money earned on Ziidi subject to taxation? Definitely. Yes, like other interest earning investment, Ziidi income is subject to withholding tax of 15%. So all the, as I said, the management fee, the taxation, all is chargeable on the interest, not on the principal amount. So does Safaricom charge M-Pesa transaction fee during Ziidi? No, all transactions to and from M-Pesa wallet to Ziidi fund are completely free. Enjoy, giving you a worry-free convenience. So basically, all the transaction within the Ziidi withdraw fund, it will be free. Can I deposit or withdraw funds from Ziidi directly to an agent or bank account? No. For now, all deposits and withdrawals are via M-Pesa. So basically, you cannot transfer the Ziidi money market fund amount to the banks. It has to be through the money M-Pesa. So what is the transaction limit of Ziidi? The minimum amount is 100 and the minimum amount you can withdraw is 10 Kenyan shillings. There is no maximum investment. However, daily M-Pesa transaction of 500,000 per day and 250,000 per transaction are applicable. So let's go to another one. How can I track my investment? Definitely, you can view or track the investment earnings on Ziidi mini app homepage under investment performance, or you can dial this *334#. What document do I provide? Next kin of claims. So these are the document you can read through. I'm not going to read everything. So it will be during field Ziidi next of kin, identification document, death certificate, grant of probable probate or letter of administration, letter from local administration. So these are the documents we'll need if you're putting next of kin. Can I change my ownership of my Ziidi account to the next of kin? So you cannot change the ownership. You can read through all the details. And also, what does it mean to lock funds in Ziidi? So lock funds Ziidi is a smart way to set aside money and avoid unplanned spending. You can also read through the statements. Okay, how long can I lock my funds? There's no fixed period for your funds with Ziidi. Lock them for as long as you like using Ziidi app, M-Pesa, or by dialing star 334 hash. Plus, you can easily top up your locked funds. So let's go also to when will my funds be available after unlocking? The funds will be available 72 hours after unlocking. Kindly note that you can only unlock the entire locked amount. So let's go to, is there any transaction limit for locking or unlocking? No, there is no limit. However, the amount to be locked should be less than or equal the amount of Ziidi wallet. No fees will be charged for locking or unlocking the funds. So where do I get support for Ziidi? You can check the numbers that you can dial if you need any support. So Ziidi and Mari, as I said, it is a previous investment money market fund that was with Safaricom. It is still running, but Safaricom is no longer like managing it. However, if you have money in it, these are the questions you can do the unlocking. So basically, this was all about Ziidi money market fund. And also, if you have many questions, you can also go to the Safaricom website and also put in Ziidi. It will give you a lot of questions about Ziidi money market fund. This was all about Ziidi money market fund. You can also check other money market funds so that you know you have competitive rates, so that you don't have to be stuck with one investment fund or money market fund. The more interest a money market fund is providing, the better, but you need to check exactly, is that money market fund reputable? Has it been in business? So for Safaricom, because it is a very reputable company, there's no worry about whether it is legit or not. Safaricom is very, very promising company, so it is legit. However, we need to check because it's not giving us how much interest it is earning. So we need to also wait a bit and see how much it is giving us as an interest rate. Otherwise, it is a very, very good platform. It is a very good option if you're a Safaricom owner. If you also have an M-Pesa, you should try this instead of putting your money without investing it. Once again, if you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. And also, if you have been with us through this time, I want to thank you in a special way. And also, if you have any question, you have any comment, don't forget to put a comment or any questions where I will be able to answer all your questions. Have a wonderful day. Goodbye.